Little flower. Elements and periodic table.
There are over 100 different elements on the periodic table, and each one is made up of tiny particles called atoms. Hydrogen is the lightest and most abundant element in the universe.
States of matter.
There are three main states of matter: solid, liquid, and gas. For example, ice is a solid, water is a liquid, and steam is a gas.
Acids and bases.
Lemons and vinegar are sour because they contain acids. Soap is often a base, and it can help clean things by neutralizing acids, like the oils on your hands.
Atoms and molecules.
Atoms are like tiny building blocks of matter, and they combine to form molecules. Water is made up of 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom, so its chemical name is H2O.
Chemistry in everyday life.
Your body is made up of chemicals, and your stomach uses acid to help digest food. Toothpaste contains fluoride, which helps keep your teeth strong and prevents cavities.
The colorful world of chemistry.
Different chemicals can produce various colors in fireworks. For example, copper makes blue and strontium makes red. Crayons get their vibrant colors from pigments, which are tiny particles that reflect certain colors of light.
Chemistry in the kitchen.
When you cook an egg, the heat causes the proteins in it to change shape and turn from a liquid into a solid.
Chemistry in nature.
Leaves change color in the fall because of chemical processes that break down green chlorophyll and reveal other pigments.
Safety first.
Always be careful when handling chemicals, and follow safety rules when doing experiments. Never taste or eat any chemicals or substances you find at home or in the lab.
Thank you for watching Little Flower. Like, share, and subscribe for more upcoming videos.